morning everyone, maimbuntag kaniyong tanan. Buenos dias amigo all over the globe. Today, nandito tayo ngayon sa Amadeo, Cavite to film a 1.6 hectares a property na tamang-tama maging events place. Nakita niyo ba yung White Castle dito sa Tagaytay? Yung katulad ng like napakahaba ng frontage. Yung pinagkasalan ni Zainab Arake. 'Di ba? So itong property na to, meron din siyang ganoong potential. Plus, yung access ng property because this is along the 4-lane road. Direct access to Tagaytay like 5 to 10 minutes. And the good thing at the advantage of this, napakaganda ng atmosphere. Ang ganda ng location. Ang ganda ng area because hitik ito sa daming mga fruit-bearing trees, napakadaming mga pine trees, and meron siyang creekside area. Okay? So para makita natin yung buong property, samahan mo po ako at ikutin natin itong 1.6 hectares na may farmhouse. Sa dulo ng video, makita mo yung napakagandang like a house na nasa can. Ang ganda ng kanilang design, no? Tama-tama siya as your secondary home or investment and a property that generate income as well. So this property is selling in the market for 130 million pesos. Alright, so before we check out this property, no, shout out po sa lahat ng ating mga avid fan from South and North America. Okay, yung ating nanood doon sa Antarctic. Ayan. Ayan, marami din pala tayong maraming mga Filipino doon sa ilalim, no, ng daigdig, no, doon sa dulo na naaabot ng ating napakasimpleng YouTube channel. Maybe because naghahanap sila ng magandang investment as retirement property dito sa Philippines. Okay, so this one with a total lot area of 1.6 hectares, isa lang ito sa mga properties listing natin sa atin pong website at www.armyrealty.com. Now, tingnan natin, no, yung paligid. Dahil dito mayroong durian, may marang, Mr. Apple, may santol, may mangga, may nyog, marami pang iba. Mayroong biotic and abiotic elements, may easement side, may creek side, at yung area napakagandang gawing wedding place. Landscape lang dito at linis kasi yung mga puno, ayan, magandang mag-pictorial dito, di ba, Benji?
Yes.
Maganda rin siyang gawing hotel or resort.
Yeah.
Mas marami kang potential. Okay? At maraming potential na customer to because along the 4-lane road. Okay, this is our exclusive right to sell. No, thank you so much to the seller, Ma'am Chuwa. Alright, let's go. Okay, kasama namin ngayon si Dudong Dong. Kuyugi mi dito Dong. Dala lang sa likod Dong kay basig ikombligya. Now, ito is mga pine trees. Okay, so may bako doon, pero ang property is up to there pa. So, we invite you all to do the site ocular, a proper due diligence para yung tracing ng property, no? At least, safe yung interest ng client and then the interest of the buyers and the interest of the seller. Yun yung aming priority. Now, tingnan natin dito guys. Salamat kayo sa aming mga higalag gikag Cebu. Nagwara-wara diri sa Amadeo. Anong tree to? I think this is a... Okay. Okay guys, comment down below. Assignment nyo yan kung ano yung tree na yan. Pwede ako sa manok eh. Let's go. Okay, yung property is up to there. So may bakod siya. Then you have a big pine tree right here. So for me, maganda siyang gawing events place. And staycation property. Laki ng manok o giant manok. Anong klaseng manok yan? Napakalaki.
Kabir. Rhode Island.
Rhode Island? Okay. Nasa gitna pala yun siya ng kalsada. Rhode Island. Dito sir, ano to dito sir? Saan yung access nito? Okay, puntahan natin. Halika. Follow me guys. Magpa-farmhouse tayo. Okay, ito yung literal na farmhouse na i-develop natin. Okay. Maganda ito kasi malaking area. So dito madaming mga lansones. Ang daming manok oh. Doon mayroong bahay doon na caretaker house, no? Sementado. Then dito maraming okay, mayroon pang bahay doon, no? Kanang bayan. Alright, let's go. Ano to, sir? Anong puno to? Okay, mangustin. Okay, may mangustin dito. Pero yung theory ng lot, no, ganda ng contour ng lot. So tamang-tama siya as events place. Then meron siyang bahay doon na lumang bahay. And then ito yung access papunta dito sa dulo. So ang property natin is up to there, di pa sir? Ito may bakod, no? Okay. So this is a 130 million pesos property. Okay, ito yung dulo guys. Okay. So naka-fence. At dito sa side na to, ang daming mga durian tree. So kailangan lang to ng grass cut at ila-landscape. Pero tamang-tama siya as events place. Diba Benji?
Yes.
No? Events place. Okay, dito madaming mga... Ito, napakaganda nito. So ang daming puno ng... Wow! Walang bunga ngayon ng durian, no? Okay, yung marang tree meron din dito, sir, di ba? Okay. Then, doon sa likod, meron kang mga bamboos. Tamang-tama, no? Gawing parang kasalan ni area, no? Or restaurant, no? Yeah. So, investment. So, calling all the corporation or group of friends or true friends, partnership or organization na gustong mag-venture into real estate dito sa Philippines, no? Try to check out this almost 1.6 hectares. This is a Torrens title. The seller is alive. Now, ito yung dulo. Mayroon dito malaking puno ng marang. Right. The marang tree is here. Look, oh. At ang daming mga nyog. Ay, maganda yung spot dito sa dulo. Maganda dito maglagay ng bahay, no? Yes, maganda dito maglagay ng bahay, oh. Kasi yung view dito, guys, ang ganda, oh. Tsaka nakabakod, no? Hanggang doon yung bakod, sir. Sa ilalim may bakod din. Cyclone wire. Doon sa kabilang side may bakod na din. So, ibig sabihin, itong the whole 1.6 is naka-fence siya. Tama. Napapalibutan siya ng napakadaming mga fruit-bearing trees. Okay? Kailangan mag-hire dito ng like mga 5 caretaker, no? Para mas malinis yung area. Tama po. Okay, but organic lahat, no? Yung mga nandito, tulad ditong right, may rambutan, may mangga, may santol, may bayabas, may balimbing. Okay, so you have like 3 villas. The first villa, medyo luma na yung bahay. Then the other villa, medyo luma na. And titingnan natin yung kanilang house, no? Yung attached dito sa 4-lane road, pwedeng gawing office or like hotel, no? Airbnb or a coffee shop. Okay, so let's go, Benji. Alright, ito yung mayroong like old house. Pero dito, dinala ko kayo para makita nyo yung contour ng land and then yung dami ng mga mango trees. Okay, so for me, no, maganda dito siyang tibagin, no, yung mga fence dito sa gitna. And then, i-develop siya as a whole events place or like a prayer garden, no? What do you think?
Yeah.
Tama-tama siya as prayer garden or isang malaking pasyalan, no? Amusement area.
Yes.
So tama-tama yung area kasi imagine 1.6 hectares. Now we have to check out the house. Let's go, Benji.
When I'm blue, I think of you in your eyes, how they look at mine.
Okay, so let's go, Benji. So sa baba, you have the basement area. Then, ito yung pinaka living and a dining area. So you have your floor area of 450 square meters. So Tuscan design property. So owners built po ito. So you have the kitchen, the living, the dining. Of course, you have shower over here. So for me, pwede siyang gawing coffee shop. Diba, Benji? Anyway, I'm sorry guys. This is the first bedroom. So you have the bed, a cabinet, and a window. Then adjacent, so you have the shower area. This is the shower room. So you have wash area, water closet. Then additional, this is the master bedroom area. So you have air conditioning unit and bed. Of course, you have a cabinet over to my left side. Okay, so tingnan natin sa itaas. Alright, so before the upper side, so dito tayo. So right here, you have the entertainment area. So since this is along the road, the 2-lane road, so pwede gawing coffee shop, right?
Yeah.
So you have the billiards area and a big space here. And then sa harapan you have a parking space. Now we have to check out the upper portion. Okay, let's go. Okay, you have stairs papunta dun sa basement area. So over here, you have beds and a shower area. Okay, señorita design yung ating pong pinaka-riser. Okay, so over here, let's go. Follow me. Okay, bookworm. Ang dami ng books. Of course, you have a table and chairs. A living room. Yan. And a bed area with a balcony. So for me, needs renovation and improvements lang siya. Pero the location, ang ganda ng location ng property. Now, right there, across. Okay, before this, no? Before that side. So dito sa side na to. So you have shower space here. Ayan. And then, dito sa side na to, you have dormitory. Yeah. Okay, you have a lot of beds. Of course, open space. Okay, nice ceiling design. And you have a window with a view ng front garden and the pine trees. Okay, so we're done. So we will proceed doon sa labas to give you the recap of this property for sale. Okay, let's go, Benji.
Everything's just fine. I was ocean swimming with just wishbone thinking of my life, the vision drifting by until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a beacon of
Alright, so before we end our farmhouse tour dito sa Amadeo, Cavite, so this property with a total lot area of almost 1.6 hectares. So you have 3 villas. So this villa has 5 rooms, 450 square meters and total floor. Of course, napakaganda ng potential. Pwedeng gawing restaurant, coffee shop, or a events place. And then, not to mention, yung big area dun sa likod where pwede siyang gawing wedding area or a birthday or like a prayer garden. So this property is selling in the market negotiable for 130 million pesos. If you are interested or anyone interested, message us today on the numbers visible on the screen. So once again, my name is Ray and I hope to see you in our next video. By the way guys, kung meron kayong mga property na sims like this na gusto nyo kong ipa-film, ipa-record no, dito sa aming realty, just message us on the numbers visible on the screen. The same time, kung meron kayong kung nagbabala kayong magbakasyon dito sa Philippines at naghahanap kayo ng mga rental van, so meron kaming dalawang GL Grandial van na pwedeng mag-accommodate na inyong 5-day tour or 10 days tour. Just message us for the rates. Nandyan si Benji at yung ating ibang pilots. Alright? Pwede namin kayo sundan from the Ninoy Aquino International Airport all the way doon sa destination na inyo pong napagbubukan. Alright, so my name is Ray. Thank you so much guys and I hope to see you in our next video. God bless everybody.